Everyone, welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Take your hair tied in the form of pigtail or plaits from the lower part of your hair. Then roll those plaits upwards and secure it properly with your favorite backpin. You are done. Take your hair tight in the form of lower ponytail. Then loosen that ponytail and roll those ponytail upwards carefully between the gaps and then tie it properly with a favorite rubber band. It was as simple as that. You can also decorate it. Take your hair tight in the form of lower pigtails or give it a plaited look. Then take those plaits and then twist it around and then take the loose ends, insert it inwards carefully so that it isn't visible and then secure it properly with a bobby pin. You can also decorate it with a back pin. Take your hair tied in the form of a ponytail. Then take that ponytail and tie it again with a rubber band. Make a gap in between and pass the upper end of your head through that gap, making the lower end along with the ponytail and decorating it with your favorite rubber band or a bobby pin. Take your hair tight in the form of ponytail and then carefully make a gap in between and pass the ponytail through that gap. Repeat the same process with the lower part of the hair as well. Take the upper part of the hair which is loose and then carefully secure it with a bobby pin or a back pin. See how elegant that looks. Take your hair tight in the form of ponytail. Take the lower part of the ponytail and decorate it with your favorite rubber band. Take the upper part, roll it, and then you're done. Your hair tight in the form of lower ponytail. Divide the ponytail into two equal halves. Make gaps in between. Tie those gaps and pass your hair through those gaps. Take the loose ends, tie it together, roll it upwards and then decorate it with your favorite white colored juda pin or a back pin. Take your hair tight in the form of lower ponytail. Then roll the ponytail upwards so that you can insert a juda pin through and fro along that ponytail. Then take the upper part of the ponytail, roll it upwards in the form of a circle and then you are done. Take your hair tight in the form of a rubber band with a ponytail and then secure that ponytail, giving it a circular look and insert carefully inside the bobby pin or a juda pin as shown in the video. Take your hair tight in the form of lower ponytail, then carefully insert one juda pin along that ponytail inside that part. Then roll the upper parts carefully inside the 5-legged back pin as shown. Thank you for watching.